guys, welcome back to the Activity Center. Today we are going to be making a origami paper boat. All you need for this is a squared piece of paper. So what the first step is you fold the piece of paper downward, just like this. Like that. And now we will fold it in half again, like this, crease it, and unfold. And now we need to fold the corners in towards the crease like this. Now we will fold it up, fold the paper up like this, and there you have it. That is your origami paper boat. In the same video I also explained how to do it without having actual origami paper, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so this time take a normal piece of paper, and we are going to start the same way, folding downwards. Hold on just a moment, let me get this good crease, and there. And now, again, we will fold it in half to get a crease. The first three steps of each of them are going to be the same. So, because of that, we fold it in again like this. Except this is going to be a little bit more complicated, and it will come out with a better boat than the square origami paper. So, next, we will fold up the top layer of the rectangular part to look like this, and then fold the corners into the back. And then now we will fold the bottom layer back like this. So we will turn the paper around and then fold up the bottom layer. Let's try to go around. And then now I'll fold these corners around toward the front. It's okay if they're not taking up as much space as the first layer because they are not supposed to. Like that. This next part will be a little bit tricky. What you will need to do is you will need to fold it out like this and push the corners together to make a square shape. You may need to rewatch this step, that's totally fine because that is kind of complicated. But it should look something like this. Alright. Now we will take this open corner and fold it up like this. Maybe a little bit, the creases may be grabbing a little bit, so try to get past that. And there. Okay. Now, we will fold this bottom corner back like this. Okay, now what you do is you pull this, or this side, to make your boat. Hold on. It might take, depending on the creases, it may be a little bit crumbly, but here is your paper boat. It looks like this. I have to do some extra creasing to be able to get the boat firm. But besides that, that is how you make the paper boat. Anyway, I hope this wasn't too confusing, but I also hope you enjoyed this project. Please give a like and subscribe if you can, and see you later. Bye.